Chief Medical Officer Dr. Anton Cumberbatch says the dengue situation in the country is getting worse.
We may not have reached the numbers as before, but we have to declare that you have an outbreak going on.
At a news conference just 1 week ago, the ministry told the media there was one dengue-related death and just over 400 reported cases. 1 week later, the picture has changed completely, with the number of reported cases having increased to 600. This does not include unreported cases from private medical facilities, while the death toll has increased 5 times.
We have now confirmed the 3 deaths, but we have 2 additional reported deaths. So the number of deaths we have are 5, 3 confirmed and 2 to be confirmed. There was a 6th death, but in our estimation that it cannot be allocated to dengue because the patient had many other problems.
4 of the 5 deaths are from South Trinidad, all were adults. But the chief medical officer is however warning that children are at a strong risk of contracting infections. In July alone, there were 161 reported cases at the San Fernando General Hospital, indicating that the situation is worsening. Dr. Cumberbatch says cases are also becoming more complicated as the outbreak intensifies. Just last week, CNC3 reported that patients at the San Fernando General Hospital were forced to wait hours for attention at established dengue clinics. However, the CMO says they have since ramped up their approach.
We have stepped up our dengue response across the country to eliminate that waiting that you speak of. However, we would like to make sure that people understand 2 things. While the dengue epidemic is going on, the public health system is responding to every other medical problem that comes to it.
The Ministry of Health is reporting clusters of cases in areas like Sangre Grande, but warns that everyone is at risk. With the rainy season upon us, the Chief Medical Officer is asking every citizen to play their part in getting rid of breeding sites by clearing areas around their homes and reporting stagnant pools and ponds to their local government bodies. The ministry also plans to intensify its spraying program and will expand its vector control fleet next week. For CNC3, I'm Kamal Georges.